everyone. A morning so bright, even the sun looks at KVS and says, "Aaj badi shine chura li tumne." As student sunlight spreads across our campus, it reminds us of one truth. KVS is not a system, KVS is a revolution of brilliance, discipline, unity, and dreams. Today, 15th of December, marks the glorious inception of this continuing revolution. The sun outside may rise once, but the sun inside every KVN rises every single day. और इसी रोशनी ने दुनिया को दिखाया है कि एक केवीएन क्या कर सकता है। हम इसी परिवार का हिस्सा हैं जहां सुष्मिता सिंह, इंडिया फर्स्ट मिस यूनिवर्स, proved beauty and grace can be power. Saina Nehwal, Olympic champion, proved youth can lead. Rakesh Sharma, the man who saw India from space, proved dreams have no gravity. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, IT minister, proved future is built today. Ravichandran Ashwin, cricket prodigy, proved the youth can lead. Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, a shooter, the man whose aim is so perfect that even destiny stands still when he shoots. These icons shine on global stages, but this spark began in the classroom just like ours in KV. KV Kamam is not just a school, KV Kamam is a hub of intellectual fire. A campus where ideas breathe, talent sparks, and creativity flows like electricity. This energy isn't just a feeling, it is a living reality built in every corner of our class. Here, in our maths garden, members are the things we can touch, feel, and explore in real world. Work experience grants us freedom to create, experiment, fail, and succeed. Interactive panels deliver world-class learning. Art-filled corridors ensure every wall breathes student inspiration and creativity. CCTV and safety guarantees every children is protected and every moment is monitored. Student and school councils show real responsibility, real leadership. National and regional events offer exposure, excellence, and confidence. Educational trips also be organized to provide real-world learning and application of concept. Before I continue, can anyone tell me what does the KVS logo actually symbolize? I repeat, what does the KVS logo actually symbolize? Well, the KVS logo stands for core values of our institution. The open book represents knowledge and learning. The rising sun symbolizes enlightenment and new beginnings. The golden rays show the spread of education across the entire nation. But if you ask a true KVN, this logo means much more. The open book is a gateway to greatness. The rising sun is fire of determination inside every KVN. And golden rays are the limitless brilliance of 14 lakh KVNs. A logo that doesn't just shine, it supercharges every KVN to rise, lead, and conquer. And today, as I stand here, I realize something powerful. KV Kamam didn't just teach me, KV Kamam transformed me. It taught me confidence in my voice, strength in my decisions, discipline in my actions, and purpose in my dreams. We are taught that dreams don't walk, they conquer. And these walls are witnessed that conquest. Our KV Kamam's two alumni are cleared groups, one selected as DSP, one selected as DEO. They didn't just clear exams, they lifted the name of KV Kamam to the sky. Their journeys prove here dreams don't walk. They ran, they climbed, they conquered. As this morning rises, let your fire rise with it. Don't be better, be unbeatable. Don't just follow the path, create it. Don't wait for opportunities, hunt them. Don't aim small, aim impossible. Because impossible is exactly what KV Kamam students do before their breakfast. Yes, every great achievement needs a great place to start, and we are fortunate enough to have such a campus. Buildings बहुत होती है पर परिवार सिर्फ एक होती है KVS. Schools हजारों होंगे पर इंस्पिरेशन सिर्फ एक नाम है KVS. Once a KVN, always a KVN. Let this foundation be remind us not to chase success but to create values, not to seek praise but to seek purpose, not to show brilliance but to share brilliance. KV Kamam stands tall because stand tall. KV Command shines bright because we shine together. My request to everyone present here, please inculcate the belongingness towards our school because this is our school and we are responsible for every in and out. Thank you everyone. My name is Srinidhi and my love is KV.